Welcome to the Cryotos Maintenance Management Podcast. I'm your host, Bruce, and today we have an exciting episode lined up for you. We're diving into the topic of how to reduce total maintenance cost, proven strategies. Joining us is Alex, an expert in maintenance management and IoT. Welcome, Alex.
Thanks, Bruce. It's great to be here.
Let's get started. Maintenance costs can be a significant part of any organization's budget. Alex, could you give us an overview of why it's so crucial to manage these costs effectively?
Absolutely, Bruce. Effective maintenance cost management not only helps in reducing expenses, but also ensures equipment reliability and performance. Unplanned downtime and reactive maintenance can be quite expensive, both in terms of direct costs and lost productivity.
That makes sense. What are some common pitfalls organizations fall into that lead to high maintenance costs?
One of the main pitfalls is relying too heavily on reactive maintenance. Waiting for equipment to fail before fixing it can lead to significant downtime and costly emergency repairs. Another issue is inadequate planning and scheduling, which often results in inefficient use of resources and higher labor costs.
So, what should organizations focus on to avoid these pitfalls and reduce their maintenance costs?
There are several strategies organizations can adopt. Preventive maintenance. Implementing a preventive maintenance program can help identify potential issues before they become major problems. This involves regular inspections, lubrication adjustments, and parts replacements based on a schedule. Predictive maintenance. Leveraging IoT and predictive analytics can take maintenance to the next level. By monitoring equipment conditions in real time, organizations can predict failures and address them proactively. Maintenance management software. Using CMMS like Cryotos can streamline maintenance operations. It helps in planning, tracking, and managing all maintenance activities efficiently. Training and development. Investing in the training and development of maintenance staff ensures they are up to date with the latest technologies and best practices. Skilled technicians can perform maintenance tasks more efficiently and effectively.
Those are some excellent strategies, Alex. Can you give us some examples of how IoT is changing the maintenance landscape?
Sure, Bruce. IoT devices can collect vast amounts of data from equipment, such as vibration, temperature, and pressure. This data is then analyzed to detect anomalies and predict failures. For example, a sudden increase in vibration in a motor might indicate a potential bearing failure. By addressing this issue early, organizations can prevent costly breakdowns and extend the life of their equipment.
That's fascinating. How does predictive maintenance compare to preventive maintenance in terms of cost savings?
Predictive maintenance can offer significant cost savings over preventive maintenance. While preventive maintenance is based on a fixed schedule, predictive maintenance relies on the actual condition of the equipment. This means maintenance is performed only when necessary, reducing unnecessary downtime and parts replacement. Studies have shown that predictive maintenance can reduce maintenance costs by up to 30%.
Impressive. What are some challenges organizations might face when implementing these strategies?
One of the main challenges is the initial investment in technology and training. Implementing IoT and predictive analytics requires significant upfront costs. However, the long-term benefits and cost savings far outweigh these initial expenses. Another challenge is data management. Organizations need to ensure they have the right tools and expertise to analyze and act on the data collected.
Great insights, Alex. As we wrap up, what final advice would you give to organizations looking to reduce their maintenance costs?
My advice would be to start small and scale up. Begin with a pilot program for predictive maintenance, invest in a reliable CMMS, and continuously train your staff. Embrace technology, but also focus on building a culture of proactive maintenance within your organization. Consistent effort in these areas will lead to significant cost savings and improved equipment reliability over time.
Thank you, Alex, for sharing your expertise with us today. It's been a pleasure having you on the show.
Thanks, Bruce. It's been great discussing these strategies with you.
And to our listeners, thank you for tuning in to the Cryotos Maintenance Management Podcast. If you found this episode helpful, please subscribe and share it with your colleagues. Until next time, keep your maintenance proactive and your